Hi everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here. Today I am working on a mandala stencil. I'm first creating the background, so this is going to be a really quick intro. I have taken my Amsterdam oxide black and mixed in some of titanium white, and then I mixed in a few drops of a leftover smoky blue that I had. It was kind of like a light blue with a little bit of gray tint to it. It was from leftover paint. So I have that for my background. I'm going to intersperse in a few little lines of this pearl white by Amsterdam, and I put the Hemway glitter in it. It is one of my favorite paint additives. It doesn't clump when I mix it with the paint. And then I might do a few simple veins of this Amsterdam pearl blue. When I go to make the stencil after this is dry, I've decided that I'm going to try mixing modeling paste with the gel gloss just to give it a little bit of a firmer body while I'm doing it on the stencil. So I haven't even picked my mandala stencil yet because I want to see how the background ends up looking before I pick which stencil. I have 10 mandala stencils, so I have plenty to choose from. That's actually a bad thing because then I can't decide which one to use. So wish me luck with this mess. I am ready to stencil. My stencil is spray painted blue, so that way I can see it with the gel gloss on top of it. I can't see it when it's white, because the gel gloss is white, so I decided to spray paint it. I have cut off the edges, so that way when I tape it, I'm taping it here and not here and here. Whenever I've taped a stencil down here, what happens is it presses it up in the middle and then it's not flush with the canvas. So this is my trick. I spray paint my stencils and I cut off the corners to tape them here. My gel gloss today is Soft Gel Gloss by Golden and Heavy Gel Gloss by Golden. The reason I've mixed these two together is because I'm out of gel gloss, regular, and I thought maybe that would be a happy medium. I have put a little tint into my gel gloss. It is Gold Metallic Medium by Liquitex, and I'm hoping to tint it so that I can see different areas of where I've missed a little bit better, and maybe if I leave any of these little tiny holes, look at all these holes here, I could see that it was tinted a little bit underneath instead of it just being clear, because this will dry clear. So I have decided to do gold on this black base and a little bit of teal. The teal is by Artist Loft, just a little bit. I was going to strictly do all gold, but I've decided to just add a little bit of a color there. So let me get going. I'm going to be mixing up my gel gloss, and I have to hurry up because it is going to start drying. I don't know if any of you have seen that video that I did where I screwed up and left it on too long, and boy, was that a pretty... That would have been a really, really, really pretty painting if I hadn't left that stencil on, and it screwed up a whole bunch of the holes and the dots in the area. So it's got just a little bit of a tint to it. Not much. You can probably barely see it on camera. But I am going to start this project now before I run out of working time with this. Okay, I am shocked, but I'm fairly happy with it. There's only 2 sections that I'm not that crazy about, and honestly, I don't want to fix them. I feel as though not every single tile or design like this would be perfect, but it's a lot better than the first one, and it did make me nervous when it wasn't coming off right away. But I am super excited. I will show you the dried results, and hopefully I'm still in love with it when I see the dried results. Okay, see you in a second.